Hello everyone. I welcome you all to ATM Creations. Let's get started with a new and simple dot mandala design in this 12-inch MDF board. Let me dot in the center in light blue. I'll work the dots in orange. I'll work the dots in golden yellow. Now I'll keep few orange dots. Let me do some tiny dotting in blue. I'll keep some golden yellow dots. I'll keep some tiny dots in light blue. Let me keep some dots in light blue. Let me keep some swipes using golden yellow. Let me keep some more swipes in orange. Let me work the dots in light blue. Let me keep some dots in light blue. Let me keep some dots in golden yellow. I'll work the dots in golden yellow. I'll keep some light blue dots. I'll keep some dots in orange. I'll work the dots in orange. I'll work the dots in light blue. Let me keep some dots in orange. I'll keep some plumpy dots in light blue. I'll make these plumpy dots into swipes. I'll keep side swipes in yellow. I'm sure this dot mandala came out really well. Thank you for watching this video.